have to do is log in and cash out. It's that easy. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new, completely fresh website that's giving out free PayPal money cash codes for completely free. Now imagine being able to type in a code that you're gonna find out in today's video and getting cash in return. Now that's absolutely amazing, and I know you guys want to know how to do it, so make sure that you check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So I am going to be showing you a ton of different ways to be able to earn this money, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to set up a method or a strategy on complete autopilot so that you're going to be making money passively. Now this money making strategy is super duper easy, and everyone from around the world can do this. You're not going to need any skills, any knowledge on anything specific, or any experience. All you need is any device that's already available to you, an internet connection, and of course you have to follow the instructions in today's video, because I'm going to be showing you exactly what you're going to do. And just pay close attention, really watch it to the very end, stay for the bonus tips and tricks that I'm going to be dropping, and let's jump right into it. So first step is you're going to go on, open up PrizeRebel.com. Now, you're going to see earn free PayPal money with Prize Rebel. Make money online, complete paid online surveys, and redeem for free PayPal money in the form of cash and gift cards from different brands. Now, don't worry, because you're not going to take any surveys. That is optional. So here's how the website works, okay? First, you're going to sign up for a free account, and then you're going to earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, and then redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of different gift cards. So as you can see, these are some of the top rewards that you can redeem, like Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, free PayPal money, Visa gift cards, free gift cards, Roblox game cards, PlayStation gift cards, and so on and so forth. So you're going to see that this website has already partnered up with the biggest brands in the industry, so that just kind of gives you an assurance that you can trust this website, that it is legit, and a lot of people are already earning so much from this website. As you can see, they have the largest collection of gift cards for you that you can choose from, and they are all processed electronically, ready for gift cards that you can redeem your points for a gift card from hundreds of different brands. You can choose, to get free gift card rewards like Amazon, Apple, and also different Prize Rebel gift cards. Now, Prize Rebel actually pays you by sending people money directly to your account. Also, when you redeem your points, they offer the best way to make money online. So now you want to come to the homepage of the website and create an account. Now you can either sign up with Facebook or with Google, it's up to you. Just click a button and then you can register by providing all the details that they're asking for: your first name, your last name, your email, your password. You're gonna hit that start making money button, and as soon as you've logged in, that's gonna take you into your dashboard. So this is how it looks like. If you want to read on this page to know even more, you can do that. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be teaching you everything and the best money making strategy on this website. If you guys want to learn how you can make even more money online every single day, up to $1,000, then make sure you check our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise hidden in our description box down below, so make sure you check that out to earn even more money every single day. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see so that our future videos will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. And we'd love to read them and get some ideas, so make sure you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now, the first thing that I want you guys to do to be able to earn free PayPal money is to go on over the earn section on the top, and then select on that and select offer walls, and it's going to take you to this page over here. Now, you're going to find a ton of different offers, a ton of different surveys that you can actually join and earn from. You can also do different app installs, info submit, and etc. And right now we're on the featured offers page. So now what I want you to do is click on no cost, because obviously we don't want to spend any money to make free PayPal money. Now, you can actually just choose from any of the surveys displayed here and earn points for every survey that you're able to complete, and you can get paid for your opinions in the form of points. You can claim free samples, you can even join in for $1,000 giveaways, and all of this is completely free. There are so many offers on here that you can earn from for free, and I think it's amazing because it's a great opportunity. Now, the next place I want you to visit is the win section, which is also at the top. You're going to select contests, and that's going to take you to here. And if you read this, it says, to be a winner in the offer wall contest, to participate in the contest, all you need to do is complete and earn the most points from offers from the offer wall within the contest period. You have to complete the offers with real information. The more offers you complete, the more chances you have on winning. The top prize, now some pools are for offers to qualify, so this is what you have to be able to qualify. You have to have completed and been credited. You must complete offers with real information, and only offers from the offer wall must always be complete and credited from 2 days. That they will have mentioned the time limit will also qualify, so whatever date they put there, that's what you have to keep in mind. And the top person has already earned over 1,000 points, and that's just from completing surveys and different things. And if he wins this, then he's gonna get like extra 2,000 points, so he's gonna have so many points that he can easily exchange for some dollars, which is super duper easy. You just have to try and beat this guy so that in the next contest you're gonna be at the top and earn this much and maybe even more, and exchange those points for at least $1,000. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see the United States survey cost, international survey contest, and referral contest. So you have 3 different ways to earn with surveys, even if you're not from the United States. You could join in one of these or even all of them and earn points from all of them as well. And that's already like $1,000 straight into your PayPal account. And if you come over to win again at the top, you're going to select raffles. It's going to take you over to this page where they have raffles daily. And this is also free PayPal money that you can earn. And as you can see, they give out $10 gift cards, $20 gift cards, and even $50 gift cards that you can try to enter, try your luck, and earn for absolutely free. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. Now let's continue. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the upcoming raffles that you can actually get ready for. So this platform has basically everything that you can ask for. And this website gives you tons of ways to earn money for completely free. And I know I've said everything, okay? I said everything already. It's so amazing. You can just try it out already, but there's still another and a more exciting way to actually make free PayPal money. That's by setting up this passive income strategy. All you have to do is come on over to the invite section on the top and then click on the earn with referrals, which is then going to take you to this page, and it's super easy as 1, 2, 3. You just have to sit back and watch your earnings grow as your referrals earn points for you. Now, you're going to earn a $15 bonus based on their earnings. For example, if your referrals earn $1,000, you're going to get $150 for absolutely free. Now, the Prize Rebels referral program is one of the best programs, and it's the easiest strategy to earn with this website. So you're going to be making money on complete autopilot from your referral earnings, which just makes everything even better. You just have to copy your link and then share it with everyone you know, everywhere you know. So that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.